Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. The Atlassian Marketplace is filled with wonders. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through all of them, as well as install everything and anything you can. Ladies and gentlemen, the Atlassian Marketplace is a wonderful and vast space for you to download pretty much everything and anything. So let's go on the left hand side from Confluence. You can go to apps and you can access the explore more apps from any one of the Atlassian apps that you're using. This could be Jira, it could be Trello, it could be any one of the other apps that are made or created by Atlassian. Now from here, what you want to go ahead and do is search for apps. Here you can search for pretty much anything that you would like, anything that you can think of. However, there are a couple other options such as pricing. So if you are looking for free for all teams or free for up to 10 users, that means that you're on the Confluence free tier. Trust signals, you can see that you can have it run on any Atlassian app, cloud fortified or cloud security participant. You can also change the category of what you're looking for. And the most important in my case is the use cases. Here, you can change what it is that you would like to use these apps for. So just for example, you can type in calendar. So you can look for calendar management. You can also have a look for themes and styles. If you go into themes and styles, this will filter out just themes for your Confluence app. You can also go ahead and look for other things. You can look through here. There's CRMs, data visualization, document management. There are so many for you to look for. You can even look for workflows. Here, these workflows will allow you to increase the productivity within your organization and decrease the time that you spend on that. You can also see that there are maybe some apps or connections that are in the beta process, or you can also see partner supported. So this is probably the best way to go and look for anything within the Atlassian Marketplace. Once you've found something, just for example, once you've found something, all you have to do is click on it, and on the top right hand side, it will show you that you can install it for free. Now, whether it's a paid item or a free item, you can actually go and try it for free before you actually start paying for it. So go and click on try for free, and you will go through the process of installing it, and you'll be able to use it within Confluence.